Unveiling the profit powerhouses, affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. Join us as we dissect two giants of the e-commerce world, affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Together, we'll uncover their profit secrets. Affiliate marketing can be a gold mine. You promote, sell, and earn from selling others' products. Its simplicity and low risk are its strongest lures. However, dropshipping brings the thrill of owning a business. You sell products directly to consumers, without holding any inventory, making it a low-risk venture too. Both are low-investment, high-potential businesses. But with affiliate marketing, you depend on the product's success. In dropshipping, your marketing skills take the center stage. How about profits? Affiliate marketing offers a steady stream of income, while dropshipping profits can scale exponentially with your efforts. So, the winner? It depends on your risk appetite, effort, and skills. Tune in for a detailed analysis and make your choice.